Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to log in Edits app. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Edits application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here, Edits application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. If you do not have the Instagram account, you'll have to create the account for yourself. But if you have the Instagram account, you'll be able to log into Edits using your Instagram account. All you have to do is tap on this option, Login with Instagram. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the login interface. Over here, what you have to do is enter the credentials of your Instagram account. First of all, enter your username, email or mobile number. Now enter your password. Make sure to enter the correct password. Now after entering the credentials, what you have to do is tap on the login option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Tap on the option Join Edits. Now you can see over here, you'll be logged into your Edits account. So that is how you log in Edits account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.